Welcome to History Archives. Join me as we explore the pivotal moments that shaped our world. September 1892. A revolution is on the brink of collapse. Europe's greatest armies march toward Paris, confident they will crush rebellion in weeks. We're on a fog-covered hill near a small French village. An army of frightened volunteers will face the most disciplined soldiers in Europe and change the fate of a revolution forever. 14th July, 1789, the people of France rise. The dreaded fortress of Bastille, long a symbol of royal oppression, falls to the fury of the crowd. For generations, the people have endured crushing taxation, forced labor, and now famine, while the king and aristocracy live in unimaginable luxury.
We have nothing left to give! To the king's help!
This day marks the beginning of something unstoppable: revolution. In the weeks that follow, representatives of the people swear the famous tennis court oath, a vow to strip power from the monarchy and create a constitution. Across France, a new belief spreads. That power should belong to the people, that all men are born with right eyes, that the old world is ending, but revolutions do not move forward quietly. They burn. At first, many still hope for compromise. King Louis XVI might remain, but only as a constitutional monarch. But the king refuses to share power.
Sire, the fortress is lost. We must act.
I know, but how? The people rise against us.
We need a plan.
In June 1791, he attempts to flee the country, seeking help from loyal forces.
We are betrayed. There is no escape.
He is captured, returned in humiliation to Paris. Trust in the monarchy collapses. France fractures. Some still want reform. Others want the monarchy destroyed forever. By 1792, Europe watches with fear. The monarchies of Austria, Prussia, and Russia fear revolution will spread across borders. At the same time, Poland is collapsing under pressure from these same powers. War becomes inevitable. Inside France, tensions explode. Revolutionary radicals demand total change. Royalists hope foreign allies will restore the king. Even Queen Marie Antoinette secretly hopes for France's defeat. On April 20th, 1792, France declares war on Austria. The nation erupts in patriotic fever, but beneath the surface, the army is broken. Half the officers have fled. New volunteer soldiers lack training. Commands argue over strategy. Early campaign begins collapsing chaos, and then disaster.